What is going on, guys? Scrapped Metal back here today. I'm going to be doing another tutorial video, and this is how to download TruckersMP, which is multiplayer for American Truck Simulator and Euro Truck Simulator 2. So you're gonna go to the link in the description below, which is TruckersMP.com, and then you'll be greeted with this page. Just go down here to download now, and then it'll tell you to register or make an account. Or no, register or log into an account. It's completely free to register. Just put in your email and make a password and username and all that. So when you're done with that, you're going to go to download now, and then this launcher file will install on your computer, and then you're going to go to that in your downloads folder, and then hit extract all. And then it'll open the thing for you, and then just open up install TruckersMP, and then let that make changes to your device. Alright, and then you're just going to click next, and then just accept the agreement. And then you could check the ones that, like, if you're just here to do ATS or ETS2, then just or if you're both, just select both. If you're using just one, just select one, and go ahead and do next. And then it already has my directory, but I'm going to show you how to do it because it might not automatically have yours. So you're going to go to wherever your Steam library folders is. Mine's in a different hard drive. Yours is probably in your C hard drive or whatever you call it, disk hard drive. So you're going to go to Steam library, Steam apps, Common, and American Truck Simulator, or Euro Truck Simulator. Just hit OK. Then do next, and then the same thing for your Euro Truck Simulator, except like same thing you did for ATS, but do it for ATS. And then just do this, install, finish, and then there should be a here it is, a shortcut. Let me just close these, and you're gonna open this up. It'll take a minute to open. Well, I think mine's still downloading actually. Or no, it's not. Doesn't say it is. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. So when it's opened, you're gonna just hit install available updates. This usually goes fast. Alright, and there you have it. This is how you install TruckersMP. So whichever one you're going to play, you're just going to launch it, and then it'll tell you to log in your account, and then pick the biggest server if you want to be with more people. But yeah, that's how you download it.